ईयरफोन्स।
58 में आपको क्या नहीं मिलेगा, आपको ये 58 में फुल पैकेज मिल रहा है। कभी भी आप शौर्य सिंह का जा सकते हो और विजिट कर सकते हो।
क्या बताएंगे
और आपके पास मतलब जिसको आना रहेगा MTB, वो MTB का रेंज कौन से रेंज से स्टार्ट होता है?
सिंगल स्पीड 10,000 से अच्छा राइडिंग स्टार्ट होता है।
सिंगल स्पीड 10,000
फायरफॉक्स से लगाना।
ओके
और बाकी नॉर्मल में तो सब मिक्स में रखा है।
ओके।
और हाई एंड में जाइंट वगैरह सब।
और अभी हम कौन सा यूनाइटेड का कौन सा मॉडल खोल?
5.10 है।
क्लोविस 5.10। क्लोविस 5.10 का हम बॉक्स अभी खोल रहे हैं करके।
पेडल्स और रिपीटर रहता है।
ओके, सो ये पेडल्स आपको एकदम अच्छा क्वालिटी का लग रहा है। मतलब आप कोई भी एलॉय है, आप कोई भी बाइक का देखोगे पॉलीगॉन, ये सब आपको प्लास्टिक में देता है, बट यूनाइटेड इज स्पेशली गिविंग विद गुड क्वालिटी। देखो करके
ये बाइक है,
पूरा बाइक है मैन। So this is like a premium thing, premium feel at 58,000 like Dior. Huh? तो अभी हम अनबॉक्स करने वाले हैं क्लोविस 610। लास्ट टाइम ये अनबॉक्स क्लोविस 510। Look at the color. So I'm riding the Clovis 510 below. It has got a frame, hardtail frame, alloyable buttered. It has got a frame size of 12 into 148 mm. Venom air boost travel suspension of 100 mm, and it has got a Nautilus stem of size of 60 mm, whereas handlebar of Nautilus alloy 740 mm. It has got a seat post of Nautilus alloy 350 mm. Brakes, it has got a Shimano M1200 hydraulic brakes. Front derailleur, not a front derailleur, it's a 1x11 speed as you see. It has got a shifter of Shimano Dior M5100 1x11 speed, and it has got a cassette of Sunrise, whereas it has got a crank of United. It has got a United crank and a bottom bracket of Shimano BB Hollow Deck, and it has got a YBM 11 speed chain and Nautilus bearing hub, and it has got a Maxxis Ardent tires, which make it really easy to ride on really bad roads. Talking about riding, it rides really smooth on the flat roads. I don't know how it will ride on off-road. If someone can share the experience of this bike riding off-road, can share their experience in the comment section below. So talking about its riding, it rides really great on the flat road. Suspension really works great. As I tested before on the speed breaker, the air suspension really works great. Like, I've heard people telling about United that the suspension is not working great. Like, the suspension is really working great. Really. Talking about the gear shifting, it smooths really well. Like, gear shifting is very smooth and precise, as it is a Shadow Dior with a clutch. So I'm riding the Clovis 610 this time. Earlier I was riding the 510. So let's see the difference between the ride. So talking about the Clovis 610, the Clovis 610 has a Santur remote lockable air suspension, whereas Clovis 510, comparing it with Clovis 510, it has got Venom air boost suspension. Both have the same suspension travel, but both have a very different frame finish. Both have Maxxis Ardent tires. This one also has a Maxxis Ardent tires, which I'm riding right now. Whereas both have the Shimano Dior M5100 shifter, and it has got a 12-speed shifter instead of 11-speed shifter in Clovis 510. Whereas it has got a Nautilus. Both have the Nautilus bearing, steel bearing cassette hubs. That's like how it rides. Clovis 610 really rides that great, like same as Clovis 510. So I'll put the spec sheet at this end of the video. Please do check it out. You will get a proper difference between Clovis 510 and Clovis 610. However, riding this bike and the previous bike was really great, was really awesome. So here are the specifications and the specs that are offered by these two bicycles. Clovis 510 cost you around rupees 58,000 and Clovis 610 cost you around rupees 70,000. So what do you decide? Let me know in the comment.